Hello world, Axis of Awesome, friends in France, a little tired, night shifts are a bugger sometimes, but I have been busy. This is just a prototype of an idea for the armor, and how do you like my little gatlings? And I got rid of the spotlight, as you can see. I twinned both sides because, this is something special from Destro. And I found these really cool little armadillos emblems, so I put it there as well. In there. And of course I got the wheels and the bucket there and haven't put the treads together, but there's a little sneak peek. Thanks for checking it out. Please like, please subscribe. Peace.